Hello, everybody, and welcome. I don't know why I just did this, but welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali, and we are here with another unboxing. This box actually has some weight to it. What we have here, it is the Ipsy Glam Back Plus box for the month of April. And for those of you that do not know about this box here, this one here is actually $25 a month, and you are set to get 4 to 5 full-size items, and the box itself is set to be worth at least $120. So for $25 that you spend on the box, you get a pretty good return. So let's just get into it and see what we have for the month. We have our little paper here giving us the product information along with the MSRP prices inside. I'm gonna go ahead and put that aside. I will give you guys the prices towards the end of the video. So if you guys want to know how much this box is worth, stay tuned for that at the end. I'm going to start with this one here. It is from Context, and it is a nail lacquer set. So we have 2 nail polishes in the shade and the colors Don't Cry and Rocket Queen. These are really pretty colors. So these are the 2 colors that we get inside. We have a golden color, and then we have like a pinky color, and they're really pretty colors. I think this brand, if I'm not mistaken, is sold inside of Bloomingdale's. I want to say that's where you can find this brand. So I wonder what the MSRP for these 2 are, but they're really nice colors. So that's our first item. Up next, I'm going to grab this one. It is from Tarte. It is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. And I've actually used this eyeliner before, and I really liked it. I mostly use the liquid eyeliner because this one here, and it's called the Double Take just because on one side you have the felt tip liquid liner, and then on the other side you have a like a pencil eyeliner that you can like twist up and down so you can get, whatever product you need. And of course, I used it until the liquid liner was done, and I had a lot of this side left. But I really like the liquid side part of it. So that is our second item. Up next, I'm going to grab this one here. It is from Foxy Bay, No Fox Given, Flaming Glow Leave-In Cream Conditioner. Oh, okay, so I'm excited for this one. I use leave-in conditioner on my hair. Like every single time that my hair looks like this, I have leave-in conditioner. It might look a little bit crazy, but I tried. It's just my hair never cooperates. So this one here, it is sulfate and paraben free. And it's also supposed to help detangle your hair and give your damaged hair a new life. So let me just see really quick what it smells like. Ooh, that smells really good. It has like a nice powdery scent. So that is what the box looks like. This is not a box. That is what the bottle looks like. So I'm actually excited to use this one. This one's actually going to go straight to the top of my vanity. So up next, I'm going to go ahead and grab this one here. This is from Shayna B, Miami, and it is an eyeshadow palette. We have been getting a lot of items from this brand lately. So we have an eyeshadow palette. Oh, it's a very neutral palette. So we do have a mirror here at the top, and let me show you guys the colors that we have inside. They are very neutral, warm colors. We do have this bottom row here are all matte colors, and then this top row, they're all like shimmery metallic colors. I want to go into this one. This one looks like it's going to be, whoa, yes. So that is a really pretty color. That is like a brownish, like greenish almost kind of color. And it has a lot of like shimmery, glittery kind of little pigments. I'm excited to use this one. It looks like it's going to be really pretty. I swatched another one here on the side, and they are super duper smooth. So I'm really excited for that palette. We are down to, our last item. I think both of these go together. It is from Star Skin VIP. This one says Illuminating Luxury Biocellulose. I can't talk anymore. Biocellulose face mask. cellulose, something like that. So this one is illuminating, and this one says instantly recovering. And then they just both say luxury masks. And then, of course, in the back, you have your steps 1, 2, and 3. Pretty much clean your face, then you peel it off, and then you put it on your face. So this is the last item from the box, and we are left with, oh, this one's really cute. We are left with our little cosmetic bag that they give us. This is the one that we have for the Glam bag. It's super duper cute. This is a really nice color, and that's a really good size. And then, of course, you have your little wooden ring in here. On the inside, it's just one compartment. You don't have anything else in here. So really quick, let me give you guys the MSRP prices for the box. So the Fox Bay Flaming Glow Leave-In Conditioner, MSRP is $18.95. Then we have the Shayna B Miami Mini Miami Eyeshadow Palette, MSRP is $20. Then we have the Tarte Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner in black. MSRP for this one is $24. And then we have the Context Skin Nail Polish Duo in Rocket Queen and Don't Cry. MSRP is $30. So yeah, that's what I figured. Each one is worth about $15. Then we have the Star Skin VIP sheet masks. MSRP is $30. So again, each sheet mask is worth about $15. So that gives us a total box value of $122.95. Not the highest value we've had for this box. We have had higher, but it's actually, it's still not a bad value. We do have some pretty cool items. I'm really excited to try out this eyeshadow palette because the colors look like they're really, really pretty. So let me know what you guys think about this box. This box has like a ton of different variations. Let me know if you guys got anything different, if you guys got anything better. But let me know what you guys think about the box in general. $25. It's just a little bit over $120, you know, the total box value. So let me know in the comments below. Those were all the items from the box. I am all done here. I will be back really soon with another video, and I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.